We've introduced a new solid model alignment method. It's under solid model utilities and feature extraction, and it's called use minimal bounding box. So I'll leave it off for the moment so we can do a comparison. So I'm aligning this solid longest edge with X. And press auto align, go to top view, and you can see it's aligned this longest edge with the x-axis, which is correct, but is not necessarily the most efficient way to align this part for production and for calculating what material size you need. So if I press this, if I turn the new option on, auto align, and you can see it's aligned it in a way that makes a lot more sense for production. This is also useful for things like panels that have cutouts on the edge. So when aligning the longest edge with the x-axis, you really want the orientation as it is here. But without this option on, you get this result, which is correct again because it's aligning the longest edge here with X. But this would be a better result and more what is expected for production.